Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a split in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut and you need to import any random video clip. So I'm going to import this one for example. So once you import it here, so here you can see this clip. So once you add this clip, you simply need to create, here you can see split, or you can use shortcut that is Control B to create a split. So here you can see that I created a split. So how you can delete, you simply need to click on delete on your keyboard, and now you can see that a split is deleted here in between these two videos. So this is the easy process by which you can delete split in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.